Hello, it's me, Xuân, a teacher in the mountain. I am a teacher of English. I am married with 2 children. Our family live in a wood house in Dalat city. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you our garden. Let's have a look around our garden. Are you ready? Let's go. Dalat is known as the city of flowers. So there are many kinds of beautiful flowers in the city. Among them are big roses like this. These roses are a Valentine gift from my husband. He never buys me bouquets of flowers on special occasions. Instead, he grows flowers in the garden so I can have a look at them all year round. That's what I really love about my husband. He gives me a garden full of flowers and vegetables. Do you know what flower this is? It's guava flower, flower of the guava tree. It looks so nice, isn't it? Our baby girl, Kitty, is a big fan of guava. How about you? Do you like eating guavas? My father wraps the guavas in plastic bags like this so they won't get stung by the insects. Can you name these vegetables? Right, they are purple cabbages. These are kales and rainbow chard. We love eating kales for salad. Some people would love eating kales as soup, and some other people would love to drink kales juice. Rainbow chard is perfect with soup. Some people would love eating rainbow chard stir-fried. You can also drink their juice. This one, you can easily recognize them. They are lettuces. Here are cabbages. Our family loves eating cabbages stir-fried. And this is elephant ear, perfect for cooking soup. Do you recognize these fruits? They are pepino melons. This is the first time I've seen pepino melon in my life. They look interesting to me. I'm waiting for them to grow bigger and ripe. These are baby broccolis. Kitty is really into baby broccolis. She loves eating them boiled. Wow! Yellow flowers of the cucumber plants. Our baby boy, Husky, is starting to learn how to eat, and he enjoys chewing cucumbers. Here are more lettuces. Lettuces grown in Dalat is really delicious. And salad from these lettuces are typical of most restaurants and cafes in Dalat city. They serve salad in almost every meal. This guava tree is a gift from my father. He bought us around 5 guava trees when we first finished our house. These are purple Kohlrabi, perfect for soup or stir-fried dish. We also have avocado in our garden. This is a gift from my friend. She gave us a seedling, and now it is this tall. Here are persimmon trees. In our garden there are about 8 persimmon trees. When the persimmon season comes, they all turn red and orange. Look really nice. Well, that is all about our garden. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to stop it here and see you in my next video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos about my life as a mother of 2, as a teacher in the Highlands, or simply if you want to learn some English phrases and enjoy peaceful moments like this.